In this video, we'll learn what are the things required or objects required in a connection in a Python code while setting connectivity between Python and MySQL database. Require three things in this connectivity. One is MySQL library module of Python. Second is connection object. Third is cursor object. For importing the library for connectivity, the command is import command and mysql.connector is the name of the module. You can import this module without using an alias as in the first case of coding, or you can use or import this module with using an alias as in this case the alias name is ms. After importing the module, the next thing is to set up a connection object which is done using connect function of your library. This connect function, as you can see, will have four parameters. Out of these four parameters, the last one, database parameter, is optional. The first three parameters are mandatory. The first parameter is host, which requires the server name, which is in this case is localhost, as we are not working on the network version of database. Second parameter is the username for MySQL, which is right now is root directory by default. And third is password. This password will vary depending on which version of MySQL you are working on or you want to connect your Python code with. As you can see on the screen, a sample code is written which is trying to connect Python with MySQL with password as tiger, and you can check your connection object whether it is successfully established or not using isConnected library function. This function returns either true or false depending on your connectivity. After this, you need to create a cursor. What is a cursor? Cursor is a temporary memory area which will hold the set of record or result set of your SQL query, which you are trying to execute using your Python code. This cursor will be containing a set of records which can be used in a single go or it can be used one by one. For creating a cursor, you require a library function cursor which works with connection object of your coding, and it is assigned to an identifier which will work as the cursor for your code. In this case, your cursor is my cursor. After creation of the cursor, you need to fire a query through Python code using library function execute. Execute function works with connection cursor object and it requires as parameter an SQL query enclosed within quotes. And the result of this query will be stored in the cursor my cursor temporarily. Thank you.